Good morning, dear students. Today we will start exercise 8.2. Its question number 1 is, a man got a 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his original salary. So children, we have to find original salary. We don't know it. So we will be taking it as X. So let the original salary be X. So it is also given that new salary is rupees 1,54,000. So children, original salary plus increment will be equal to the new salary. So it is given that increment is 10% of the original salary. So original salary is X and increment is 10% of the original salary. Means 10% means 10 upon 100 means 10 out of 100. So 10% of X, remove of and put sign of multiply. So it will be 10 upon 100 multiplied by X. So X plus 10X upon 100 is equal to 1,54,000. Take LCM on left hand side. It will be 100X plus 10X will be 110X upon 100 is equal to 1,54,000. So X will be 1,54,000 multiplied by 100 upon 110. Cancel it out and you will get 1,40,000. So the original salary will be rupees 1,40,000. Now question number 2. On Sunday, 845 people went to zoo. On Monday, 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting zoo on Monday? So children, number of people who visited zoo on Sunday is equal to 845 and on Monday is equal to 169. So decrease in number of people will be 845 minus 169, that is 676. So percentage decrease will be decrease in number of people upon number of people who went to zoo on Sunday multiplied by 100%. 676 upon 845 multiplied by 100%. Children, cancel it out and you will get the answer 80%. Now question number 3. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sells them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. So children, it is given that shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400. So cost price of 80 articles is equal to rupees 2,400 and cost of one article will be rupees 2,400 divided by 80. So you will get its cost price will be of one article will be rupees 30 and profit percent is also given, that is 16%. So children, profit and loss are always on cost price. So formula is profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. We are given with profit percent, so we will be putting values. 16 is equal to profit upon 30 multiplied by 100. So profit will be 16 multiplied by 30 divided by 100. So it will be rupees 4.80. So cost of one article is rupees 30 and profit is rupees 4.80. So selling price of one article will be cost price plus profit. So rupees 30 plus rupees 4.80, that is rupees 34.80. Now come to question number 4. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500, rupees 450 was spent on its repair. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. Children, so total cost of an article will be cost price plus overhead expenses. So we will be adding rupees 15,500 and rupees 450. So we will get rupees 15,950. As we know, that formula is profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100, because profit and loss are always on cost price. So we will be putting values here. 15 is equal to profit upon rupees 15,950 multiplied by 100. So profit will be 15,950 multiplied by 15 upon 100. So cancel it out. So we will be getting rupees 2,392.50. So we are with the profit now. Selling price will be cost price plus profit. Cost price is rupees 15,950 and profit is rupees 2392.50. We will be adding these two and will get our answer rupees 18,342.50. Children, next question of this exercise we will be continuing in our next video. Thank you.